Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Unlocked. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because we share real, actionable ways to make money online and build financial freedom. I'm really excited for today's topic. We're diving into the world of digital products, the smart way to build passive income and run an online business with zero physical inventory. Let's get started. The best part about digital products. You create them once and sell them forever. That's passive income. Thanks to AI tools and digital platforms, starting your own online business today is easier than ever. 1 eBooks. If you have knowledge about any topic, health, money, motivation, cooking, or anything, you can turn it into an ebook and sell it on Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or Payhip. And if writing isn't your strength, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you create a quality ebook in no time. Many people sell books between $5 to $50 and earn monthly passive income. 2 online courses. Are you good at something like graphic design, Excel, freelancing, or video editing? Record a simple video course and upload it to Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. You make the course once, and it keeps selling 24/7. Some creators earn thousands selling a course priced between $50 and $200. 3 Canva templates and digital planners. If you enjoy design, you can create social media templates, resumes, business cards, or planners using Canva, and sell them on Etsy or Creative Market. No shipping, no waiting. It's instant digital delivery, truly passive. 4 Notion templates and productivity tools. Notion is a powerful productivity tool used by students, freelancers, and creators. If you can build clean, helpful templates like content calendars, budget planners, or personal dashboards, you can list them on Gumroad or Etsy and start earning. 5 AI-generated digital products. Using tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and Canva AI, you can create digital art, resume templates, business name generators, content idea packs. People are already selling these on Fiverr, Etsy, and their websites, earning $500 to even $5,000 plus a month. So those were some of the best digital product ideas to start your online business and earn passive income from anywhere in the world. If you stay consistent and keep learning, you could turn these into a full-time income stream. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment on which idea you're going to try, and don't forget to subscribe to Money Unlocked for more no-fluff, real finance content. See you in the next video. Until then, stay smart, stay earning.